A hub, a switch, and a router can sit in the same corner of a network closet and look almost identical. But inside, they could not be more different. One shouts, one whispers, and one navigates. Understand what each box actually does with a packet, and half of networking falls into place. Let's decode it. I'm Tessa, and this is Envision Decoded. All three devices connect things together. The difference is how smart they are about it. A hub blindly repeats. A switch delivers inside one network. A router connects different networks to each other. Same cables, wildly different brains. The cleanest way to see it is to follow one packet through each box. Why does this matter beyond trivia? Because picking or troubleshooting the wrong box is a classic real-world failure. Slow, congested network? Might be a hub where a switch belongs. Two networks that cannot talk? That is a router job. No switch will do it. And on exams, mapping each device to its OSI layer is a guaranteed question. Layers 1, 2, and 3 in that order. Start with the hub, layer 1, the physical layer. A packet arrives on one port and the hub repeats it out of every other port, to everyone, no questions asked. It is pure electrical repetition. Everyone hears everything, collisions everywhere, bandwidth shared by all. That is why hubs are effectively extinct. You will mostly meet them in exam questions. Now the switch, layer 2, data link. A switch learns which MAC address lives on which port and keeps that in its MAC address table. When a frame arrives, the switch looks up the destination MAC and sends it out of exactly one port, only to the intended device. Private, efficient, full bandwidth per port. This is the box that connects the devices inside your network. Then the router, layer 3, network. A router does not care about MAC tables, it reads IP addresses and decides where packets go between networks. From your home network to the internet or between office networks. It keeps a routing table of where different networks live, and it is the box where NAT from episode 10 actually happens. So picture the whole path once. Your laptop's frame hits the switch, which delivers it inside the network by MAC address. If the destination is outside, the switch hands it to the router, the default gateway, and the router forwards it toward the right network by IP address. Switch for inside, router for outside, and the hub, just history that repeats itself. So, to decode it. Hub, layer 1, repeats everything to everyone, obsolete. Switch, layer 2, learns MAC addresses, delivers inside one network to exactly the right port. Router, layer 3, reads IP addresses, connects different networks and runs NAT. Inside traffic, switch. Between networks, router. And hubs? These days you will only meet those in exam questions. If the 3 boxes finally clicked, hit subscribe so the next one finds you, and a like really helps. Next time, the bouncer of the network. What a firewall actually does, rule by rule, allow or deny. I'm Tessa, this was Envision Decoded. See you in the next one.